Hello children, now we are going to see the prepositions for place: on, at, in. These prepositions are used for different types of places: on, at, in. Examples: in. Where do we use in? In is mostly used for the place having some sort of boundary. So within. In Delhi. So Delhi, if it is Delhi, இதான் டெல்லினாக்க within இதுக்குள்ளார boundary, it has some boundary. Then on is usually used for the surface of something. Surface of something, on the table, on the box, like that it goes on. At is used for a specific place. குறிப்பிட்ட பிளேஸ்க்கு we use at. Okay, now prepositions, nature of places. Okay, look at these prepositions: in and on. Where do we use in for the places? In a hall, in a school, in the building, in the box, in the car, in a library, in a garden, in England, in a room, in a cupboard. Okay, next, on. Where do we use this on? Surface of things. On the table, on the blackboard, on the page, on a wall, on a roof, on a map. Finally, we use at for the specific places: at bus stop, at the entrance, at the door, at the bottom of the glass, at the edge of the roof. Like that it goes on. Look at these examples. Prepositions for places. In England. They live in England. The kids were playing in the room. Where do they play? In the room. There is a book on the table. On the table. Where is the book? On the table. She was drawing a map on the wall. I met him at the bus stop. She waited for her kids at the gate of the school. The cat is sleeping under the table. So these prepositions refer to the place. We use these prepositions to point out the place, where it is or where it was, like that. Now look at these pictures. Prepositions of place: at, in, on. See here: at the office, in prison, on the internet, at the station, in the cinema, on the ground, at the top, in a line, on the left, as a friend, at the side, at reception, in a queue, in a row, in a garden, on the right, on an elephant, on a farm. That's it. Thank you for watching this. God bless you all.